Guys, what's up? Today's Sunday, so there's not a lot of stuff going on in Switzerland. So I decided to go outside and do some OG car spotting. For those of you who watch back on my channel, this is basically how I started on YouTube. I was just walking around filming cars. Back then I didn't talk, I was just filming them. But I was right here like 10 years ago with my phone, with my iPhone 7, filming cars. Gonna meet up with a friend. Yeah, it's already 4 p.m. Spent the whole morning at home watching car videos. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm really living this shit. Like, you know those videos where like you listen to car stock sounds, like how it sounds from stock to know what you're getting yourself into. Yeah, I watched like 50 of those videos. And yeah, haven't been doing much. It's one of those days. My friend should be somewhere on here. I don't know if he wants to be on the vlog. You might remember this spot right here. A couple of days ago I was here as well. Carrera 4S. 911s are super standard here. You'll find them all the time. Got the Rolls Royce. What's up with you guys? What are you doing on Sundays? When all the stores are closed. In Switzerland at least. Got the Bentley Continental. Corvette. That's cool. I like those. That's the guy I'm looking for. We found this Giulia Quadrifoglio. It's looking clean. Guys, my friend bought the GR Yaris. I had no idea that he got this car. He had a Hyundai i20N before that. Now he's got the GR Yaris with a Miltec exhaust, downpipe. He's got the shifter I'm gonna show you later. Shifter, data. Guys, that's probably the craziest GTR you're gonna see in a while. Air suspension. That is the homie. Naughty sounding M6. We saw the Ferrari SF90 before, but not the regular one. The new one. Forgot the name of it, but I missed quite a few cars because we were talking. GR Yaris is another option for around 30,000. I didn't mention before, guys, there's so many cars in this 30,000 bracket. So many cars you can get. I can't even name them all. But I think what I'm gonna do now, and take you along with, M6 is coming. What I'm gonna do is test drive many of those cars between 25 and 35, and then I'll see what I'll get. So if you have an M2 or an M240i or a Mustang, like a 2015 or 2014 Mustang, or if you have a Porsche Macan or one of the older Caymans, let me know if I could test drive one of those, or even like a 996. If I could test drive one of those, that would be great. I'm uploading the video from yesterday. Oh yeah, that's how an M car has to sound. Mustang, I think that was a V6. That's a wild S65 AMG. I think that's from the UK. 911 Cullinan 991.2 Turbo S M240i. What are you guys thinking of the 992.2? This is a brand new one, 2025. I don't like the rims, but other than that, it looks pretty much like the 992.1. That's some OG car spotting right here. Back in the days, I still sometimes do it. I go down in the parking of the Hyatt Hotel, some like luxury hotel in Zurich, and they have got some wild cars in the garage sometimes. Alright, now we're talking. Got the 992 GT3 Touring. I love that car. Got an AMG GTR. Guys, all I do in my free time is inform myself about cars, check cars online, check the prices. Ask everybody that knows me. I'm quite annoying when it comes to cars. Like, that's all I care about. Got the 997 4S. That's cool. Would love to have money for one of those. Is that a sports exhaust? I don't even know. You know, I was thinking about the 996 4S, but I don't have, or like if I could, I would buy the 997, but they're really expensive. But they're probably as cheap. Now they're as cheap as they're ever gonna get, because they're just gonna get more expensive. What a nice car though. By the way guys, I saw that we got over 100 subscribers now. Ooh. Did you see that? There were some nice Porsches and Ferraris. I don't know what that was. Anyways, thank you for more than 100 subscribers. I know it's not that big of a number. We can go much further than that. But it's the beginning, you know. I've been doing this for 1 week, so I think it's actually quite good. I'm at work, but I'm hopefully done soon. Probably not gonna go to the gym today. Gotta get some work done at home, and I think I'm just gonna go to bed early because I have to get up early tomorrow. And I don't want another night of less than 6 hours of sleep. I'm not hitting the gym, but I got this pizza though.